Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can link your PSN, your PlayStation Network, to your Ubisoft account. Very easy, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser, head down to ubisoft.com and sign in to your Ubisoft account in the top right corner of the screen. Now, once you've signed in, you can easily go down to the Account Management tab by pressing Account Management. This will open up a different tablet on your browser. Now, from here, you open up the account information and you scroll all the way down till you find the linked account. As you can see, here's an error and we need to find the PlayStation Network. As you can see right here, we can only press link, so simply press link, press continue, and now a pop-up appears. If this pop-up doesn't appear, go to the top left corner on your browser and allow the pop-ups on your Ubisoft account. Now here, sign in to your PlayStation Network account, press sign in again, and from here, trust this browser. Now we need to pull out the two-step verification, so I'll go and do it right away. I'll be right back with you. Now, I just verified the code, and as you can see, I'm about to link my account. Simply press continue, and then your account has been linked. But as you can see, my account has already been linked to a other user. So from here, I cannot link it again. So I need to unlink it in my PlayStation Network account, and from there I can link both accounts again. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me a lot, and thanks for watching.